In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through on Google Sheets. Strikethrough is a simple formatting tool, but it's surprisingly powerful. It's great for marking tasks as done in a to-do list, showing which items are no longer needed, or keeping track of changes without fully deleting anything. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply it using the menu, as well as using fast keyboard shortcuts on both Mac and Windows. First, start by opening your Google Sheet and locating the text or cells you want to mark as completed or crossed out. With your mouse, click and drag to highlight those cells. You can select a single cell, a whole row, a full column, or even a scattered group of cells by holding down the Command key on Mac or the Control key on Windows while you click. The key idea here is that strike-through is applied to whatever you've selected, so always make sure the right cells are highlighted before you move on. Once your cells are selected, let's use the main menu method. Look toward the top of your screen and click on the Format menu. A drop-down will appear. Hover over the text option in that drop-down to reveal more text formatting choices. From there, click on Strike-through. As soon as you do this, you'll see a line appear through the text in your selected cells. This method is very clear and is great when you're first learning or when you don't use strike-through very often. If you want to move faster, you can use keyboard shortcuts, which are especially handy when you're repeatedly marking items as done. With your cells still selected, use the shortcut that matches your device. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and X together. On Windows, press Alt, Shift, and 5 together. When you use these shortcuts, the selected text will instantly get that line through it. Pressing the same shortcut again will remove the strike-through, so it works like a toggle, on and off. A quick tip: if you're building a checklist or a running task list, get into the habit of selecting the cell that contains the item you've just finished and hitting the shortcut right away. It keeps your sheet visually organized and makes it easy to scan what's done versus what's still pending. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to strike through on Google Sheets using both the menu and keyboard shortcuts on Mac and Windows.